Hey bro, what's up? Bro.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's up?
What's your name?
My name is Gaurav Chandra Das, and you?
Yeah, I'm Rakib Khan. You can call me Rakib.
Oh yeah, nice name you have.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And can you tell me why are you come here?
I'm here for practicing English. You know, every day we come here at 1 p.m. If we practice like this, we will one day we will become a fluencer. You know.
Yeah, I also think about that. Every students going to boarding. That's why it's a really good idea for our session. And I think it's very helpful for everyone. Because when we start our class, we can't see anything in we are sit in the block. Into the
restricted area, but when we come here, there we can take the refresh air of the nature,
and I think it's very helpful for us because we can explain
everything
our natural
freely. Yes, we can explain everything freely.
Yeah, we can explain. We can learn new things for this session, and so can you tell me? Why are you join this English fantasy?
I joined English fantasy because I see the environment where they are, how they are learn the student, how they give the service to the student. It's a very impressive to me. That's why I come here. The English fantasy come to the English fantasy, and the place is very good, and they take the proper decision to make a student and give their what they need. They give every supply. They supply everything to the student. That's the reason.
Do you have any plan go abroad or just you learn English for your?
No. At this moment, I don't have any plan like go to abroad. Exactly, I admit in the basic course. That's I think if I do better in this sector, then I will do IELTS also. And do you have any intention to do this course?
Yeah, my main purpose is goes abroad. That's why I joined at English Fantasy. I see their environment and our teacher, their teachers is really friendly, and they can guide properly for our English for teach everyone. And that's why I admitted there. And actually, first time when they start the course, their coaching center, I joined there for a spoken course.
Yes.
But then I have no more I had no more time. Then I leave there.
You leave there. Now you admit in the 4-month course.
Yeah. Now again I joined there. Actually, I like this place and I like the
because
English fantasy.
You already you have given the take the test. That's why you come another time here.
Yes.
Yes.
I like English fantasy and actually my goal is to go abroad.
Yes.
My future plan is goes abroad, and I am really poor in speaking English.
Yes.
I will try my best.
Do you notice when we came out from English fantasy? The weather was too hot, but now we are feeling too good because now it's giving some refresh air. You can see.
Yesterday, it's the weather was really hot.
Yes,
it's too much hot.
And day by day, the global warming is growing. You know. Increasing.
Today, the weather is very cool, more than yesterday.
Yes.
Because today's weather is really cloudy.
Yes.
And we feel like too much freshness. And,
yes.
They are blowing the air.
Yes.
And there is natural.
And also some boys and children are they are increase the beauty of this place.
This
you
place,
know,
yes.
they are playing here and there. It's looking very beautiful. You know.
Yeah, I know that. Because every children they are coming here and they are enjoy the moment and they are playing this place in the field. And some people they are came for replacement.
Yes.
And because I like the place actually.
Bro,
Yeah.
do you take your dinner, lunch? Do you take your lunch?
I came at 8 a.m. I took my breakfast. Now I think when our outdoor session is finished, then I will go home and take my dinner.
I think also
take my lunch.
after finishing our outdoor session, I will go to home and I will take my lunch. Okay, bro. Nice to meet
So
you.
nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.